Good morning, Lily. The smell is amazing.
Good morning, Mr. Brown. Fresh bread every morning.
So, this is your life. You wake up early, bake, and open the shop.
Yes, this is my daily routine at the bakery.
That sounds perfect. Today, can you share it with us step by step?
Of course, I'd love to.
Great. And before we start, if you enjoy learning real English with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
Yes, hit the bell so you never miss a lesson.
Okay, let's begin Lily's daily routine. Lily, you look fresh, but tell me, what time do you wake up?
Very early, Mr. Brown. I wake up at 4 a.m.
4 a.m.? That's not morning, that's still night.
Good question, Mr. Brown. I know, but bakers need the quiet morning.
So what's the first thing you do?
First, I wash my face, brush my teeth, drink some water. Then I put on my baker's clothes.
Baker's clothes.
Yes, white shirt, a small white hat, and an apron in front.
Apron?
It's like a cloth to cover clothes. It keeps me clean when I work.
Ah, okay. Apron equals keep clothes clean.
After that, I go downstairs to the shop.
Wait, downstairs? You live upstairs?
Yes, a small room above the bakery.
That's unusual. Not many people live above their shop.
True, but for me, it saves time. No car, no bus, just a few steps. Perfect at 4 a.m.
What's it like when you first walk down?
It's quiet. I can hear the street still sleeping. I turn on some soft music. It's my little morning bit. The music and the smell of flour, it feels calm, like the world belongs only to me.
Music and bread. Good combination.
Yes, it makes me feel awake and happy before the day begins.
So, when you open the shop, what do you do first?
I start the dough. Bread begins with dough.
Dough? Remind me, what's that again?
Dough is flour, water, and salt mixed together. It's soft, like clay in your hands.
Ah, soft bread before baking. Got it.
After mixing, I let the dough rest. Resting makes it grow a little, makes it light.
Why not make the dough before bed? Then you could sleep longer.
Good question, Mr. Brown. If I make it before bed, it waits too long. In the morning, the dough is not fresh. Bread needs the right time. Not too short, not too long.
So the early morning is the best time.
Yes, the air is cool, the world is quiet, and I can watch the dough. That's why I do it at 4 a.m.
Okay, so your routine is wake up, clean up, clothes on, downstairs, dough first.
Exactly, Mr. Brown. Then, while the dough rests, I clean the tables and check the ovens. That's my start every day.
And do you drink coffee while waiting?
Of course. I make a small cup of strong black coffee. No sugar, no milk, just heat and focus. I sit by the window for 5 minutes, watch the streetlights fade. That's my favorite part of the morning.
Sounds peaceful.
It is. That short moment of calm helps me start the day with energy.
English snack.
I don't get it. Why do we say a loaf of bread, not a bread?
Because bread is uncountable. You can't say a bread.
So loaf means one full piece.
Exactly. One loaf, two loaves.
Oh, like one big piece before you cut it?
Yes, that's right. Now you sound like a real baker.
The morning light looks so warm today. Your bakery smells amazing, Lily.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. The first bread of the day is in the oven now.
It smells so good already. What are you baking now, Lily?
This one is the first batch of the day. Simple white bread. I just put it in the oven.
Batch? You mean one group of bread?
Yes, a batch is a group that bakes together. When this batch is ready, I'll start another.
Got it. So you bake many batches every morning.
Exactly. The first one is special because it sets the mood for the day.
Like your morning music.
Yes, but my music is the sound of bread baking.
That's the best kind of music.
I think so too.
So, how long does it bake?
About 20 minutes. Then I check the color and the smell.
Smell tells you it's ready?
Yes, when it smells a bit sweet and warm, it's almost done. So I always say my nose is my timer.
That's funny and true. When I smell fresh bread, I feel hungry right away.
Me too. That's why I never eat breakfast before baking.
Wait, you don't eat before work?
No, so I'm too busy. But when the first bread comes out, I always taste a small piece.
Ah, your reward.
Exactly. It's like saying good morning to the day.
What else do you do while waiting?
I check my little plants near the window, mint and some small flowers. Their smell mixes with the bread, so it's like a small garden inside my bakery.
You have your own morning garden.
Yes, and I move my hands like a little dance when I clean. It keeps me happy while I work.
So you dance with the bread.
Maybe just a little. English snack.
I heard someone say, he's the breadwinner. What does that mean?
It means the person who earns the money for the family.
So bread means money here?
Yes, people used to say bread or dough for money.
So if I have dough, I'm rich?
Only if it's not for baking.
Then I open the door, turn on the lights, and the shop is ready.
And the smell goes out to the street.
Yes, people start walking by, and some come in just because of that smell.
Yes, every day I can smell your bread. I'm an early bird too.
The first person comes every day around 7. He always asks for 2 small breads and a cup of coffee. I already know what he likes.
You know all your customers.
Most of them, yes. We talk every morning about the weather, their work, or weekend plans. It feels like seeing friends every day.
That's beautiful. A bakery and friendly faces.
Exactly. Bread makes people happy.
I understand now why you wake up so early. It's not just about bread, it's about life.
Yes. The smell, the people, the music, even the coffee, it's all part of my daily routine.
It's getting bright outside. The street looks alive now.
Yes, this is the morning rush. Everyone wants bread before work.
Rush? What do you mean?
Rush means a busy time when many people come at once. Like now, everyone wants bread.
Ah, like traffic rush hour.
Exactly. But mine is the bread rush hour.
You move fast. How do you remember so many orders?
I don't remember words, but I remember faces. When I see someone, I know what they like.
That's sweet. Look at that line outside.
Yes, that's the queue.
Queue? What do you mean?
It means a line of people waiting for their turn.
Got it. Queue means line.
Everyone waits for bread, but sometimes funny things happen. One man came yesterday without his wallet.
Really? What did you do?
I told him, it's okay. Pay tomorrow.
Pay tomorrow. You let him do that?
Yes, I trust him.
Trust? What does trust mean?
Trust means you believe someone will do what they say.
Ah, like when you believe your friend will come back.
Exactly. People come back when you trust them.
That's why your bakery feels so warm.
Maybe. Bread and kindness go well together. English snack.
Did you know bread is older than most cities?
Really? How old?
Over 6,000 years.
Wow, that's amazing.
And we still eat it every day.
Some things never get old, especially fresh bread.
The shop feels quiet now. Is it afternoon already?
Yes, it's almost 2. Time for new flour to come. Oh, there it is. The delivery.
Delivery? You mean like food delivery?
Almost. Delivery means bringing something from one place to another. But this one brings things to me. Flour, sugar, and milk.
Ah, so he's your supplier.
Yes, a supplier
is a person who brings the things I need for work.
You really do everything yourself.
Yes. After delivery, I sit down and write my new recipe ideas.
Recipe?
Recipe means how to make something, the steps and the things you need.
Oh, like when I make coffee. I need water, coffee beans, and a cup.
Exactly.
What new recipe are you writing now?
I want to add a little cinnamon.
Cinnamon?
It's a sweet brown spice. Spice means something you add to food for smell and taste. Cinnamon smells warm, like cookies or home.
So spice is like salt, but for smell and taste.
Exactly. Cinnamon makes bread smell like a hug.
You should name it something happy.
Maybe I'll call it morning smile bread.
That's a lovely name. It's quiet now. Even the birds sound sleepy.
They come here every afternoon. I share a little piece of bread with them.
You even feed the birds?
Yes, they are part of my quiet time.
The light outside looks orange now. Is it almost closing time?
Yes, it's around 7. I'll close soon. I'm checking the bread that's left.
What do you do with it?
That's called leftover bread. Leftover means food that stays after people buy.
Oh, I see. So you don't throw it away.
No, I give a small discount.
Discount?
It means a lower price, a cheaper price before closing.
Ah, like an evening sale.
Exactly. It helps people, and it helps me too.
I can hear the street getting quiet again.
Yes, my favorite time. I clean the tables, sweep the floor, and count the money. It feels peaceful after a long day.
You still smile after so many hours.
The smell of bread keeps me happy.
When will you close tonight?
Around 8. Then I drink warm milk, write tomorrow's plan, and go upstairs to sleep.
You sleep early, right?
Yes. Bakers wake up at 4, so they must sleep early too.
You work hard, but you look happy.
Because this bakery smells like home.
And your life smells like bread, warm and simple.
That's the best thing I've ever heard.
Good night, Lily. Sleep well, baker of the morning.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
It's been a long day, but I really enjoyed learning with you, Lily.
Me too. We talked, we baked, and we learned new words. That's a good day.
I think people will like this story. It feels warm and real.
I hope so. If they enjoyed it, maybe they'll come back for the next one.
Yes, just like your customers every morning.
Exactly. See you next time, everyone.